got to pick it up. Wow! Wow! Alright, so let me show you guys how this new paper airplane flies. This is a very long body, right, with a cool spirit dragon wing. So check it out now. Hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a new paper airplane. This paper airplane is a new design based on the spirit dragon, and this will be added to my spirit paper airplanes collection. Is the plane a completely new design? No, it is not. If you ever watched the Dreamcatcher test flights, finally I figured out how to make the plane fly well. So on this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make the plane. To make the paper airplane, you will need a piece of US letter size paper. As always, if you don't have US letter size paper, use A4 paper and it should work very well. Now, first step, let's flatten the paper down and fold the paper in half. I'm going to press down this paper to create the center crease. Okay, so now I have the center crease of the plane. I will start from the upper edge of the paper. I fold both sides of the edge to the center crease. And I will leave a small gap between the edge and the center crease. I'm going to press down the paper and repeat the same fold for the opposite side. So just press it out. Now it's look good. On the following step, I will start from this piece of paper. I'll start from this tip. I fold straight out, and when I fold out, I will make sure that it will match to the edge of the upper layer here. So I just fold slowly, and I'll curve it slowly. Okay. Just do slowly. Okay. Here we go. So I'm finished with this part of the paper. Now I'm going to unfold the paper. Right, just press it down and unfold. We have the crease here. That's look good. On the following step, let's start from the tip up here for straight to this corner. And then I'm going to repeat the same fold from the tip up here to this corner. So let's do this side first and repeat the same fold for the other side. So let's press down the paper now. And now let me unfold the paper and I'm going to repeat the same fold. When I fold down, I'll just be very patient and fold slowly. Okay, so this is what I have. You know, on the previous step, I created a crease here already. Let me fold again and make the crease hard. Okay, just crease it a little bit more. Now I have a very good crease. I fold the paper back and you see this part of the paper already pop up. I push it to the center crease and we have this part of the paper up here, just fold down. Okay, if it's not even, you can adjust it at this point. Don't wait until the end of the steps. Okay, so now this is what we have. It's look very good now. It's just basically like how you fold the spirit dragon at this point. And if you know how to fold the swallow, it is the step that you stuck right here. Okay, this is a base fold. Now this is what we have. This is really good. I fold this side of the paper to this piece of the paper to a size. So for this piece to a side, and then I'll start from this edge. I fold to the center crease. Okay, fold to the center crease first. Press down the paper and same thing. I'll repeat the same fold for this side. Fold to the center crease. Perfect. And on the following step, let's do it this way first before you create the stabilizers of the plane. So now I place the paper like this, right? And if you know how to fold a crane, this is basically the same step as how you fold the crane. So pull this part of the paper up. I start from this edge for to the center crease. I like doing it this way. It's maybe a little bit difficult, but it will help the plants look nice. You can create the creases first, but the plant will not look nice at all. So let's do it this way, by the way. Okay, so I will adjust it. I'll force straight to the center crease. You can see here, I will do this very slowly. Okay. Once I finish the upper part, I will fix the bottom part here. I fix it, and I'll just press the paper. And now we just finished one side of the paper. It's very easy. Let's repeat the same for the other side. I will adjust the wings here. Not the wing, keep saying wing, but this size of the head of the plant here. Okay, just adjust it. And then press it down. Okay. And now I just press it down. Now I have the head of the plant. It's look awesome. And on the following step, we're going to create the stabilizers of the plant. So for this part of the paper, you see this part here, fold to a side. And again, this is very easy. To start from the tip here. You see the corner here, we make a streak like that. I'm not going to get a pen and draw it because many of you already know how to fold the paper airplanes. If you are new, that is fine too. Just make a line like that. Now I have a line right here, right? It's crossed right here. So for this part of the paper out, I use my finger as a reference to hold the wings. I fold out, and then I just press it. You know, this edge here needs to match to this point. You see the point below, so it just matches there. I have been folding paper airplanes for years, so this is very easy for me. But if you are new, it may take a little bit longer time to fold it. But you will be able to do that anyways. So I now have one side of the wing. I flip the paper over and I fold the paper in half. And now I'm just going to repeat the same fold, but now I have this part of the paper as a reference. So this is very easy. I'll just fold this layer out and press it down. Now I have the second size of the wings, and now I can just press it down. This is what we have. This looks really good. And now I can fold the paper in half. First of all, I just want to let you guys know that I'm going to make the dream catcher. So basically, this is a dream catcher, and then the next step will be the wyvern. Okay, so let's finish the dream catcher. You guys can test it out, and the next step is very easy. Okay, so now we have the paper airplane look like this. This is just like a piece of paper. Let's fold it in half now to make the wings. Okay, you may need to adjust the wing, just the part of the paper just a little bit, and then adjust the wing later on. So I fold the paper in half like this, but it is very hard for me to fold the wings if I place the paper like this. So I need to turn it this way, so I can use my right hand to fold the wings. Now let me fold the wing. Okay, I will focus on this edge of the wing. Okay. If you make the dream catcher, you will fall a little bit different. I have another video show you guys how to make the head of the dream catcher, but this one we're going to make the wyvern. So for the paper airplane like this, okay, and I'm going to repeat the same for the other side. For the other side, I'm going to fold out. You may need to adjust the head a bit now because this is very difficult to adjust it. This is very difficult for you to fold straight to the tip here. That's why you do not fold straight to the tip, but close to the tip. Okay, very close to the tip, but not straight to the tip. So we adjust this side to make sure that both sides are even. This is the hardest part when you fold any paper airplane, especially for complex paper airplane like this one. This is harder. Now I finished both sides of the wings. The next step is create a stabilizers, right? Stabilizer is very important to have the plane fly straight. If if you create a blend without stabilizers, this is more important to keep both sides of the blends even. With the stabilizers, it may be off a little bit, but you will have the option to control the blend by adjusting the stabilizers. That is why I like creating the stabilizers for all blends. Okay, so when I finish both sides, now I can create the stabilizers by folding this part of the paper up. When I fold up, I just fold it straight up like this and make sure that this edge here will be parallel with the upper edge here. I'll just do it slowly. When I finish one side, I'm going to repeat the same for the opposite side. So now I finished this side, I fold the other side as well. You may need to adjust the stabilizer a little bit, otherwise it will not be even. Look at this to see if it's even or not. One of the easiest way to know if it is even for both sides of the stabilizers or not, just hold the paper up and look from the right side, look from the left side, and make sure that this stabilizers are matching up. That's fine. Now I have the stabilizer pressed down, hold up, pull up the stabilizer, pull up the stabilizer, and here we go. Watch the next video. At the end I will show you the difference, right? So to make the blend fly far, you need to tweak it a little bit. Let me flatten the paper air blend down, and I'll start from this side upwards to the center crease. Okay, I fold this side to the center crease first, and then I'm going to repeat the same for the other side as well. Okay, now I fold both sides to the center crease. And on the following step, I'm going to fold the paper in half. Now we have a very strong head. The head is so strong, okay, and thick. This is very thick for both sides, but this is good. That is what I want. I want to have a thick head that's strong and it can last long. So now I have this part of the head. Although for the following step, I'm going to fold this part of the paper down. You know what? After you fold this dream catcher, you have a creasing already, so I'm going to fold this part down. That is a good thing about it. You follow the steps as I show you. Okay, now I finished that side of the paper. Let me press this down again, and I can finish this side too. I finished both sides of the wings already. I just press the paper down. It's a bit tricky now. Here we go. You may need to press this very hard. Now we want to have a crease, right? So if you don't have a very strong crease, this part of the paper tend to pop up. That is why we need to create a very strong crease so this can last longer. Let me adjust it. Here we go. And here we go. So now we just finished the Wyvern. I hope you guys enjoyed making the Wyvern paper blend. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. Thank you for watching again, and see you next time. Bye bye.